All right, we got gaps in our walls. Now let's go look at the code. So down here in top level constant macros, we're working on, I guess, some self-documenting code for the edge names here. And then in illegal stuff, we fucked up. It's not R16, it's R13. There's only 13 rooms. Okay, file 196 data section. We have some shorthand references to the top, right, bottom, and left enumerations, and we're going to fill out this reusable lookup table in an identity matrix fashion. So this is the room index, the edge index, and converted to whether or not we have a door. The contents of this table is always going to change per invocation of our loader. And right here, we're just going to do a little test here to make sure that the index that goes in is equal to the value that goes out. And if it doesn't, then we don't know how the fuck to use this lookup table. Okay, down here in file 196, within the high-level load section, within our loader function, within this new section called doorman's variables, we have the door index, whether or not we have a door, and whether or not we need to leave a gap to accommodate the door and also the hallway. In our Nicolas Cage loop, where we loop through every single room and every single wall, every single edge of that room, we have added a piece of code to let us know whether or not there should be a door there. So we're going to get the door index with this formula, then we're going to get whether or not we should have a door there, and we're going to load that stat into here. Now, door has and has door doesn't line up. I feel like maybe refactoring that in the future. Okay, down here in the segment index, if we have a door gap, and we are about to draw the middle line segment, well then don't fucking do it, because we need to draw a hallway. So we're going to skip it if it's the middle line of the 3-line segment wall on one of our room edges. Here's what I did previously, and then we got some footnotes and stuff. And if you want a longer explanation, go here to Ninja Coder. You are on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Ways to call hold of me are down here. Source code is here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a game engine. I'm making a game engine from complete fucking scratch, and I am documenting every fucking single line of code. So if you want to see the next best thing to Temple OS, but for game engine design, then you're at the right place, because I'm fucking unhinged, man. Like and subscribe.